Is not being able to travel getting you down? Are you sick of being trapped inside the same four walls? Well, it doesn't matter, because whether your house depresses you or not, we're about to show you 8 houses that are so much cooler than yours. Know before you go! Number 1. The Mirrorcube. This house in Sweden is almost invisible. This house has a double bed, toilet, lounge and rooftop terrace. 6 two-way mirrors offer you amazing panoramic views and privacy too, but only when you've got the lights off. You can access the house via a 12-meter long bridge, which is virtually the only thing visible about the house. Then relax in the natural atmosphere, sleep underneath the stars and wake up to the gentle sound of birds flying into the mirrored walls. Number 2. The Summer House. This house in Norway was designed by architects Jensen and Skodvin to be a mixture of natural and man-made. It isn't a house on a mountain, it's a house that is part of a mountain. With turf roofs, glass walls, wooden floors, concrete bathrooms, and steel structure, it combines multiple materials to obtain a natural balance. The foundations were designed so as not to disturb the mountain rocks, natural integrity, or any tree roots in the area. They were so respectful of their environment that they didn't even build a road to reach the house, so the only way to get there is by hiking. Not so good for getting the groceries in. Number 3. The Seahorse House. Currently under construction in Dubai, these houses have an upper level with a terrace, minibar and hot tub, and the lower level has a lounge, bathroom, sun terrace and dock. Where's the bedroom? Well, it's in the basement, underwater. The double bedroom is submerged underwater, and its panoramic windows offer a view of the beautiful coral reef that is the natural habitat of the seahorses that give these houses their name. Number 4. The Safe House. Built in Warsaw, Poland. If you like modern architecture but fear the apocalypse, then this is the house for you. When open, it looks like a normal modern house. You have glass walls for lots of light and access to the beautiful garden. However, in lockdown mode, everything closes up electronically. Walls slide shut and massive steel shutters block windows, turning it into an impenetrable fort. An automated drawbridge can be lowered to allow access to the separate swimming pool building, because who said the end of the world couldn't be fun? Number 5. The Kellogg Joshua Treehouse. This house isn't a tree house, it's a house located in Joshua Tree. It's actually a rock house and looks like Gaudi and Dali had a son who built a house inspired by a pile of sycamore seeds and the Flintstones. It balances perfectly between standing out and blending in. Inside, it is a luxurious mix of alien and natural. A mixture of materials, wood, stone, steel and glass blend with each other as wide stripes of sunlight pierce through the ceiling and chase shadows around the space. Number 6. 727 Home. This home is actually a 2-bedroom suite that has been built inside a Boeing 727. The Hotel Costes Verde in Costa Rica decided to salvage an old Boeing 727 plane and convert it into a beautiful luxury treehouse suite with amazing views of the San Miguel National Park and the ocean. Number 7. The Dragon House. Located in Salobreña, Spain, this house is unique because rather than build it on the side of a cliff, they built it into the cliff. Its steel roof was designed to mimic the waves in the ocean, but some say it looks like a dragon's scales. Its 3 bedrooms, kitchen, lounge, and 3 bathrooms all have views of the Alborian Sea, while its sun terrace, swimming pool, and barbecue area and bar assure you some great outdoor parties. Number 8. The Tiny Transformer. Chinese architect Gary Chang wanted to experiment with transforming space with the idea that future city accommodation will have to be small and flexible. He bought his parents' old 344 square foot apartment and transformed it to be able to create 24 different rooms. These include a bathroom with a bathtub and a glass shower that can become a steam room, a living room with a hammock, a kitchen with dishwasher, a walk-in closet, a laundry room, and a 5-person dining room. The home is almost almost fully automated and can be controlled via smartphone. Everything in the house has multiple uses, even the remote control curtains, which are also the screen for the movie room. Which of these houses would you like to live in? Comment below and give us a like before you go.